Right, so my cake's finished, so I'm just like gonna get the things that I need to get it out of the oven. So, whilst I'm doing that, actually no, there's nothing that. Right, I found something. Right. Haha. My lovely pink cake. This all please happen. Please stay. Yep, I'm cruising you once again. No, there is no way that that's done. Mum? No. That's not done. No. It's not done! Because it's all sloppy in the middle. I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes.
Okay, we'll need watching now. Let's have a look. How do you know it's sloppy in the middle?
I've just took it out and saw it.
Oh yeah.
Why did you just do that?
Yeah, put it on
Yeah,
for a bit
so
longer.
guys, that was just like a complete fail. So yeah.
Put it on for a bit longer then.
Watching.
Watching on.